All right, guys, we are super excited for you to be here with us today in the Braille House because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skaters, and we're gonna play a massive game of skate with skater trainers. Da 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 da. So we've been using these a lot in the skate camps and the private lessons, and they really help kids get over their fear. Basically, I'll put somebody on the board and they'll do a shove it, and they will not put both feet on, not for anything, because they feel like when they put both feet on, the wheels are gonna fly out, and they're going to fly out and die.
That's the biggest fear of skating, like when you slip out. So these help you to where you keep grounded, to where you can actually concentrate on your trick and not the fear of just falling down at all. Okay, so falling is not an option with these.
So what we've been doing is getting the kid to learn them with the skater trainers and then taking them off, and then the person can do the trick just like bada boom, bada bing. Yep. So it is for beginners. I'm gonna make that super clear. These are for beginner skaters. You're just learning how to skate right out the gate. Boom, bada bing, there you go. They're super durable, so we're gonna toss them on the skateboard and then we're gonna play a game of skate. I think we'll do this. Who should go first here? Luke? And then Nigel, Fetty, me,
I'm
Carlos.
always last. It's okay.
We're gonna use these and we're gonna put them on. Just so there's no bias, we'll use my board. All right, so they put on super easy. You just stretch them out like that, pop them on, bada boom, bada bing. Let's go.
There you go. It's like a rubber cage for your wheels.
I'm a rubber cage for your wheel.
Stabilized. Yeah, oh, okay, there's a board.
All right, let's go. Luke, let's roll.
Well, actually, you can't roll.
All right, Notification Squad, make sure that you're subscribed, like, and leave a comment below on this video. Go ahead and guess right now who you think is going to win this game of skate. We will choose at random one of those comments and give you a prize package, including skater trainers. A huge thanks to Skater Trainers for sponsoring this video. Let's go.
Are we playing hardcore mode?
No hardcore mode.
Let's just test it out. Oh, wow.
Really? Starting it out with an ollie? Go ahead,
I wanted
that's
everyone
fine.
to practice.
Go ahead, we'll get warmed up. Can you track the letters? I don't know if it got all 4 wheels up.
I've been standing here the entire time. They're jumping towards me.
You gotta get your practice in.
You have to jump, like, you have to jump backwards.
Thank you.
I wanted to do my own thing, okay?
Get the camera out of my face.
Oh, got him. I feel like he almost fell off right at the end. All right, Luke, you 100% got this. Yeah, boy. Man, what now?
That's actually one of the harder tricks on a stationary stance. So.
Wait,
Champion!
That's the first trick that I teach beginners on these, is just to shove it, just like that.
I teach primos.
Primos.
Watch your legs.
Yeah, boy. He tried everything to stay on that. That was beautiful. I don't know if I want to try tray flip or double flip. Oh, no! That was my one chance to beat everyone.
So I'm standing like a sensei.
No, if he wasn't standing there, he would have completely came off.
I had to jump that way.
Ah! Dang it.
Redo.
Let's go, baby. First try.
Oh, he did it better than I. Guys, keep in mind, these are for beginners. A lot of us are used to riding and rolling as we do tricks, so this makes it a little bit harder for us as experienced skateboarders, but definitely understand that this is good for beginners.
All right, no more messing around.
All right.
No moss.
Give us your very best. What in the world? He literally did it like this.
Don't hate, just play.
At all.
Got him.
First try.
Give me your very best.
Look, this is like a really good rubber hug.
Don't hold back.
Just rubber hugging your wheels. You got this.
Ow, that hurt my ankle.
Oh no. What are you trying? Let's go.
First try. I have S.
Bro, watch out, watch out. Hey, not bad.
No way.
Muddle that.
You can't do that trick on. No.
That's good.
I'm gonna land this.
He said, all right, I'm gonna land this.
I tried my best.
I'm gonna land this. You ready? All right, I'll actually try it. I have one more try.
Hello.
What? You land that, I'll give it to you.
No.
Then there were two. We studied the skater trainers. We know how they work. That's why we're doing really good. That's
Yeah.
why we're still in the game.
That red piece of paint is killing me though. I just recently have been able to have a cutout in my grip tape. I used to could only skate just pure black. Mentally, I made it okay. I don't know if I want a double flip right now. I don't know if I want a varial heel flip either, because I can't. Oh, I know. Oh, why is that so hard?
I just have to come back, you know. He's got to get at least a letter. Dude, I'm literally flabbergasted and I can't think right now. That's the thing about like you skate experience, it's like Netflixing. You know, if you don't pick a movie right away, you're just gonna be going down the list and next you know, half an hour goes by, you didn't pick one trick. But that's the most accurate. It makes sense.
I feel strangely enough like I could land a varial heel flip on this.
I'd say we do. He held on.
Wait.
Yeah, boy.
I'm Mike Wazowski.
Woo! That was scary.
This is a fun fact about me. I have not landed one double flip on flat since this whole year.
I could do that. Watch. When you fail, watch me do it.
Not gonna flip. I lost my flick. I have not landed one double
Pro
flip.
at kickflip. I am the pro at kickflips. Y'all thought Aaron was good? Watch this double flip. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Woo! Let's go, baby.
Double heel? I've landed that once. Never again. Why?
When you're learning skating, you tend to want to do it stationary. And when you get used to moving all the time, it's weird to go back to stationary. So
It's true. It's way different. Yeah, even if we didn't have these on and we were just standing still,
It would be
a lot
the hardest thing
A lot of
ever.
these guys would miss a lot of these tricks.
keep in mind, I like do my tricks at 15 miles per hour.
If only I had the tray revert left.
Bust out a hard flip, AK.
I realize why I can do this because I've filmed so many tutorial videos, and you have to. I film them all alone, and I film them all standing still.
That's why, Zra. That's why.
Dang it! My Achilles heel. I thought, just think you're going nollie, then you'll land it.
That was amazing.
Dang it!
All I gotta say is, Whew.
I'm not gonna switch double flip because he has a sprained ankle, his left ankle.
He doesn't want to do a switch double flip, so he goes trade double flip.
Ender. One try to go.
Why is it always the basics that get you?
All right, let's see if I got this. That was brutal. You didn't know I skated in the 90s? Come on!
Just on record, he did that way better than I did.
Did you know it took the Titanic 3 hours to sink?
How in the... Now he's just no mercy.
Does it really matter?
Y'all want to see a real trick? Hold up. Let me do this one time. I gotta land it before the end of this video. I don't know when the end of this is gonna be, but before that, I gotta do that.
I wanted to land it just like, doop. Early after I said I wasn't gonna do it, then he started killing me. So I was like, I gotta do it.
Yeah, dude. Good game.
That was fun.
I'm telling you, I'm just used to doing my tricks not stationary anymore, you know? We're 20 years in, I'm way past standing on a crack or grass. Or
Yeah, it's what you get more used to. You're used to rolling. But if you're a beginner skater, these do really help you.
Yes, they do. All of these things do, you guys, is help you skate in place to get comfortable and build your confidence to when you do your tricks in motion, you will have all the confidence you need to get it done. So that's what these are for. It's better to learn your tricks stationary first, and then once you get comfortable, you take these off, start off baby slow, and then work your way up to going faster and faster, and then next you know, it's very fun, you know? So these are great.
So don't get the idea that you're like, oh, I'm gonna learn all my tricks, then not gonna be able to do them without them. No, that's not the case. You get to do them with them and then take them off and then do it without them. Confidence builder. Need me in the butt.
right now.
Give me like a real good flick in there. Oh!
First try!
Hold on. Tell me when I'm out of frame. You gotta. Dang it! I told it, but I did it.
Oh, what?
It had wood in the mic.
All right, guys, so we're on this massive mission to get as many people skating all over the world as possible, and we have seen these help a lot of people. So if you're a beginner skateboarder, you should check these out. Go get yourself a pair. You can get them at brailleskateboarding.com, skatertrainers.com, or any Zoomies location. They really will help you build your confidence, get your tricks down, and then you can take them off and learn all your tricks, rolling, doing them downstairs, upstairs, onto ledges, whatever. It's going to help you progress, so we want you to progress and have an absolute blast on your skateboard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had an absolute blast making it. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, we're super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.